guys, DIYbri here. Today I'm sharing the teacher gift baskets we gave this year. I guess I'll include the other smaller gifts that I gave to like the office staff and stuff like that. So hopefully this is fun and gives you some ideas, and I hope you enjoy watching. So I love getting ideas like this, so I hope you enjoy this and it's helpful in some way. And so let's get into it. So a formula that I like to use for these gift baskets is getting 2 or 3 big items, you know, something that has more value to it, you know, like some expensive chocolates or candles, a Target gift card, that kind of thing. And then, you know, filling in with several other smaller items, you know, if you're on a budget, maybe a few Dollar Tree items that you found. And use variety to cover your bases. Make sure there's something useful, something fun, something yummy, and something personal to them. You know, my daughter's teacher is an artist and loves to paint, and so doing something along the lines of that would be really nice to one of her teachers anyway. We often try to keep it kind of neutral and not too specific, just kind of general stuff, since you know, we may not know the teachers super well. However, I think adding in at least one more personal item, like you know that they like to shop at a certain store or enjoy a certain hobby or something, you know, something like that will make them kind of smile, that they notice that they like to wear lipstick or something like that. And then with those few small, inexpensive pieces, you know, doing some chocolates, candies, Dollar Tree items, and with those smaller, inexpensive items to bulk it up, you know, getting cough drops or chocolates from the Dollar Tree. You can bake your own cookies and tie them in a cute baggie and throw them in there too. Just small little touches that that they can enjoy. And if you saw my gifting for less video, I love to shop clearance, so if you can include that in the basket, that always saves a lot of money. Getting candles on clearance, maybe getting some cute slippers on clearance. So looking at this basket I made for Thanksgiving, the actual baskets I got for really cheap, 99 cents each. So that was a steal. I think in total it cost me 20, maybe 30 bucks, but it looks, you know, like a higher end basket, maybe $50 at the minimum. So, you know, using these little tricks can just add value and can make a difference for the receiver getting the gift. It feels, you know, much more expensive, but also, you know, they feel more appreciated and valued when the gift feels like it has more value to it, even without cost. And all the little things that took time to thoroughly plan out, you know, choosing each item, adding basket filler, adding ribbons and bows, adding that plastic basket liner. I got a big pack of those from the grocery store, I think. You know, adding a bow, all of that kind of enhances it. And then I wanted to add like a little trinket, like a little ornament or something to personalize it a little bit more and make it feel a little more special. That's always nice to decorate your gift with a reusable item. This little thrifted ornament I thought would be really cute and is a nice touch, and it isn't like too Christmas-y, I guess, and doesn't have to be an ornament as well. It can be used many different ways, but I thought adding in that touch that wasn't too Christmassy to our Thanksgiving basket would be a cute idea. When thrifting your baskets, make sure you thoroughly inspect them. I have definitely grabbed some that I thought were really cute, and upon further inspection realized that, you know, there were some subtle breakages or damage that can affect the integrity of the basket. And so if you're jamming it full of stuff like I will do sometimes, you know, with heavy candles and things, or a bottle of sparkling cider, you know, you need something strong enough to support all of that weight. So just be mindful of that when you're looking. If there is any damage, checking to see if it will affect the stability of it. So you can tug on it a bit, kind of test the bottom of the basket and see if it will hold up for you. And then I kind of wanted to show you the Christmas basket that we are giving her teachers this year. Kind of a similar idea of having a couple nice items, this larger candle that I got on clearance at Walmart, and then a smaller Christmas specific candle that has really pretty packaging and looks special. Got a lot of other things in there. This chocolate sampler, I don't know if you've tried these, but they're really good. Each one has like a different filling. There's like marzipan and toffee and, you know, like any possible thing you could think of. They're actually really good, and you can like break them in half and share them. Anyway, I think that's like really fun. Even though it's not like super expensive high-end chocolate, you can get it at Walmart. It's a nicer one and it feels more luxurious and elevated than your average chocolate box gift. So I hope you enjoy the look of that and how I styled it. And I wanted to share some other ideas. I know that teachers love Crayola products, so any Crayola products would be a hit in their classroom. You know, in addition to stuff for them, they often will request stuff for the classroom, and so that's one example of that. You know, tissues, hand sanitizer, stuff that they are going to need for the classroom is a good way to help out the class and your student, and at the same time do something thoughtful for the teacher as well. There's so many options for gift cards, like a Target gift card, like I mentioned, Starbucks gift card, a spa or massage, something they could really use on a good weekend, or sort of at-home spa care. You know, a kit with some products like bath bombs and bubbles and facial masks. I think those bath trays would be a great gift for a teacher that kind of extends across. You can get one that's like adjustable for their size of tub, but it extends across and is, you know, not going to fall into the tub, and that way they can have their iPad while they're taking a bath, or have a place to put their book, their glass of wine, or whatever they're having. It's a really great way to fully enjoy a relaxing moment. And you can always pair a gift like that with a great book for them to read, some good moisturizer, hand cream, those intense like overnight lip moisturizers. Those are great for people in cold weather, in the winter especially. Teachers often have like wish lists for books they want in their classrooms. You can buy some off their wish list and give them to them. And if it's last minute and you just want to have some sort of gesture, you can pick up some cookies or a pie at the grocery store, and if you have time, put a little ribbon on it or a bow and call it good. I think just any sort of gesture to let your teachers know how much you appreciate them and love them and respect and honor them for what they're doing is amazing. We love teachers. So comment below if you have other good teacher ideas. My mom has been in education since forever, so she might have some ideas. And I have a sister who's working in education right now. So this is what I came up with my experience, but I love to hear your thoughts. Like, all of these ideas can work for other people, you know, service workers or neighbors or, you know, anyone, but I think they could be good for a teacher. So those are my ideas. And oh, I wanted to show, so this is what I put together for the office staff. I wanted to, you know, like the principal and all the, you know, the people that help the school run, I wanted to drop off something. So I just grabbed these really good Ritter Sport chocolate bars, which are nice and small. I love that it's a little square, so it's a small but nice gift that I can just, you know, put some ribbon on and drop off at the front desk. A little goes a long way. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.